Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the question tag very clearly in this session. Question tag. Here some examples which are related to question tag have been written here. Let us take all these examples in order to understand the rules of the question tag very clearly. Let us take first one. Prakash has three sisters, hasn't he? Prakash has three sisters, comma, hasn't he? Question mark. If you take this example here, Prakash has three sisters. This is the part which comes before the punctuation mark, comma. This is the part which comes before the punctuation mark, comma. The first part is nothing but the former part. The former part is called statement. Hasn't he? This is the later part. Here this later part is called question tag. Prakash has three sisters. This is the former part. Hasn't he? This is the later part. Here the former part is called statement and the later part is called question tag. Already we have known when the statement is in positive, we should take a negative question tag. Positive statement takes negative question tag. Here Prakash is the subject of the statement. While writing or while adding question tag to the given statement, the noun should be changed into pronoun. Has becomes hasn't. Positive statement takes negative question tag. Prakash has three sisters, hasn't he? Let us go to second one. You can help me, can't you? You can help me, can't you? You can help me here. In this example, you can help me is the former statement. This here the former part is called statement. Can't you is the question tag which is added to the former statement. The latter statement is nothing but question tag. You can help me, can't you? Here auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Already we have known regarding auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. There are 24 auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. These auxiliary or helping verbs are also called anomalous finite verbs. Anomalous finite verbs. Here we can find anomalous finite verb 10. Okay. When you find anomalous finite verb in the given statement, that anomalous finite verb is repeated in the question tag in the form of negative, in the negative form. Okay. Later here the pronoun you can be used as you as pronoun itself. You can help me, can't you? Anomalous finite verbs are nothing but irregular finite verbs. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in the English language, such as primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are 11 in number and modal auxiliaries are 13 in number. 11 plus 13 is equal to 24 helping verbs are there in the English language. Let us take third one. He teaches grammar, doesn't he? Here, if you take He teaches grammar is the statement, because in this example the first part of the the first part of this event is nothing but the first part is called former statement, such as statement, and we added question tag to it. This is doesn't he. This is the later part. Later part is nothing but question tag. The former part is called statement, and the later part is called question tag. He teaches. Here the subject is in singular number. Teaches. Here the subject. If the subject is singular, verb 1 takes s or es in the simple present tense. In such a way, here you cannot find the finite verb here. If you can't find the finite verb from the given statement, you can use do or does or did in the question tag. While adding the question tag to the statement, if the statement does not contain the anomalous finite verb, we should use do or does or did in the question tag. He teaches grammar, doesn't he? Here teaches, does plus teach is equal to teaches. This is the statement which is in the simple present tense. Okay, these are the rules that we have to remember in today's session regarding part 1 question tag. Prakash has 3 sisters, isn't he? You can help me, can't you? He teaches grammar, doesn't he? Okay, if the noun is given in the former statement, in the former part such as statement, noun is to be changed into pronoun in the question tag. If you find anomalous auxiliary verb in the statement, anomalous auxiliary verb is to be repeated in the question tag in the negative form. Later we should use this given subject after this anomalous finite verb. Question mark is to be kept in the question tag. He teaches grammar, doesn't he? Here we cannot find anomalous finite verb in this statement. So does plus teach is equal to teaches. In such a way, positive statement takes negative question tag. Positive statement takes negative question tag. Negative statement takes positive question tag. In such a way, if you find particularly the given statement which is in the positive sense, this is positive statement, so that we used here negative question tag. For good and all, positive statement takes negative question tag and negative statement takes positive question tag. Okay, these are the rules that we have to remember related to part 1 question tag. In my next session, I shall teach you about the question tag related to part 2. Okay, till then, thank you very much.